Now I do.
Hey, hello people. Is
Hello,
it recording?
Daddy. Yep.
Okay.
It's counting. Yep.
Yeah, good. And the red button's on?
The red button's on, and I can see the little thing that says REC.
Alright. I've been working on my grip strength with this device right here. It's just a little wooden grip. I don't know.
Gripper.
But I squeeze a little wooden gripper.
Call it the gripper.
I practice squeezing it like this and holding it as hard as I can, like that. And that strengthens my grip. And now I want to test the strength of my grip. I'm going to do that with this apple.
Keep going forward. And
No.
Can you see
No.
that?
I see the apple, but move back
Oh.
so I can get your head. All right, there you go. No, okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. I just want to
So you
get.
didn't get my head and all of that?
I got your head and everything except for when you pushed forward to show the apple.
Alright.
Yeah.
All right, go
This
ahead.
is a Macintosh apple. I'm going to try to, using just my bare hands, split this apple right down the middle.
Good luck with that.
Thank you.
All right.
Alright.
Here we go.
Cut it in half.
Yeah, I'm going to try and cut it in half using my hands.
Call it the gripper apple.
Okay.
You
let's
cleaned it
try
up.
With his bare hands. Ooh.
Oh my God. I should
Daddy.
have. Wow.
Daddy.
Oh my God. Did you see that, guys?
Holy moly!
That was awesome.
Thank you.
Show those two halves on a
That has
close-up.
to be fake.
Bring them close.
That has to be
Wow.
It's
Check
not fake.
that out. No, that's a real apple.
fake. And Daddy juiced
Good
it.
Oh,
job.
Thank you.
You juiced it.
All right. Should I shut it now?
Mm-hmm.
That's
That's how you
awesome.
make a half